quarter in fiscal year 2007-2008. The Commissioner of Customs was removed from office due to the reasons of graft and corruption. As to the rules provided in Section 609 of the Customs Law, provided that further the Secretary of Finance have the power to appoint the new Customs Commissioner. Hello? Mr. Bukis is already here. Okay, sir.
Hello?
Okay.
Let him in. You are now the acting Chief Commissioner of the Bureau of Customs. I choose you among the 4 Deputy Commissioners because I know for the fact that you are well versed in the Bureau of Customs. Mr. Secretary, I didn't expect that I would be the top pick among the 4 of us. I will assure you, Mr. Secretary, that I will do and execute my function to the interest of the Philippine Republic and to the Filipino people. We are part of the shame and disgrace brought upon the recent Chief Commissioner of the Bureau of Customs as much as I would do. And I would be bet all of my credibility, even my career, not to put more shame and disgrace in the place. Not to offend you, those are only words from it in action. And I challenge you as much as you can do in your power and scope and jurisdiction in the entire Bureau of Customs to eliminate corruption and to streamline and amplify what is legal and written in the customs law. The process is enforcing the Bureau and be in your side to fulfill and execute such moving statements. Mr. Secretary, please come to my office right now.
Yes, sir.
I need to deliver this to the Deputy Commissioner as soon as possible.
Okay, sir. Good morning, Mr. Aguilar. This is the Secretary of the new Acting Chief Commissioner, the BOC. There is a document which is addressed to your superior. Please come over here in the office and get the document. It's high priority. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Abo. This is the Secretary of new Acting Chief Commissioner, the BOC. There is a document which is addressed to your superior. Please come over here in the office and get the document. It's high priority. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Dito. Unong say!
Puno nga.
Isumat ha.
Pop, pop, pop.